Hello, we're at Charoen Charoen Fresh Markets. I think that's what it's called.
Hi guys.
If I get it right.
Let's show you these markets. I've never been here. Dave has twice. So
I went for a ride around. I spotted this place. I pulled in for a drink. There's a few veggies here. We'll have a look.
let's have a look what they've got on display.
Right. We just walked in the first veggie shop. Judy started.
I need my veggies.
Yeah, the first one. We'll get a look around. Because there's more here.
I love the
Look at
salads.
tomatoes are nice. We got some more garlic.
Got some more
Chilies.
onions.
And so calories turned to baby chicken.
The baby cucumbers.
And the capsicum, which look really good.
They do this time. 15. 15.
Eggs? So I don't think we need eggs. Are you happy?
I am.
Wherever you go, dude, there is more.
Oh look, there's more.
Yeah.
I knew, but everything that we need is right there.
It looks pretty fresh too.
I'm just putting it in my Monify. We're using a Monify budget keeper, so we enter everything into our Monify and we know exactly what we've spent every single month. So shortly, probably in about 3 weeks time, we'll have our budget video up for
See
you
if I've
guys.
blown it.
Because the first few months it's normally you know, oh yeah, okay. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the first few months are setup months, so you can't really take that as they're the budget.
No.
So I think the most accurate one will be July. So we'll be posting that up in August for the end of July, just to let you guys know what kind of a monthly budget we're looking at, just for the two of us, and we'll explain what we do and how we do it and so forth in that as well.
And what I do wrong when I get told.
Not at all.
Oh.
Are you thirsty, Dave?
Yes, I am very thirsty.
What are we-
Bite jacket.
What are we getting, Dave?
Peng Mu smoothie, watermelon, if I've said it right.
Song Teng Mo.
Sung Teng Mu too.
Yeah.
She looked at me strangely.
getting-
I've probably got the wrong pronunciation. High, low, I don't know. Yeah.
We're getting a couple of watermelon shakes.
Yeah.
Nit noi
Nick Noi sugar.
Nit noi numpan. Nit noi. We forgot to say.
That's what I got told.
We forgot to say a small amount of sugar.
We're supposed to say numpan first, then Nick Noi.
Oh, numpan nit noi. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. See, we're learning every day. Like we said and have said in many of our other videos, we're learning every day.
Yeah. And I forget more than I learn.
No,
I try.
we're doing all right. We're doing all right, Dave, aren't we?
Yeah, I think they're actually just doing it up because the first time I come here it was all gravel, now it's all bitumen and they're revamping it.
Some more little food places over there. Yeah, it looks like they're doing it up. There's lighting and so forth. Yeah,
Coming alive.
I like it, I like it. Nothing more refreshing than a watermelon shake that we got from this lovely lady over here that we're going to show you.
Went
There
down
she
really
is.
well.
Hello, hello.
YouTube.
And yeah, just about to set off now.
Just
So
got to walk around. There's a few bakeries and stuff.
yeah, what's going to be for dinner? We need to scope that out yet because neither of us knows at this point. Decisions. Yeah, what do we eat tonight, Dave?
Something spicy. Surprise.
Yeah, something spicy. You know what I really love about Thailand? What I love are these little bags. Sawadika. These little bags of wonderment, and all you do is you add your rice or your noodles to it. It's absolutely wonderful. It's all done for you. All ready to go. It makes life easy for sure.
And if you're naughty,
And yeah, if you're naughty, you can have yourself some chicken at 5-star.
salty fish.
Oh, then you have salty fish.
Yeah, that's what I did wrong that time, where I started eating it, but I didn't pull the skin off. And yeah, it was bad. But
Yeah.
now, that looks alright.
It does look alright. Yeah. Why don't we get a fish, Dave? Could do.
Condiments that come with it too.
Ah, right. Okay. Yeah. Very good, very good. And then we have looks like chicken.
Popping up everywhere here.
Yeah. And then there's another little chicken place here.
Yeah.
Another little chicken place. New chicken.
Well, that's new chicken.
And chicken insides. Oh, wingtips. Wingtips top. Oh, right. Oh, that's the end of the drumstick.
And
That's
there's
just
all the
been
stuff
chopped.
you like.
Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like that. Not for me, buddy. Not for me.
And what do you think? Smack out the front, some huge KFC. Brand new.
Ah, well, that doesn't get one thinking, does it, Dave? This is one of those Boba Bear, whatever it's called. Oh no, it's called something different.
Little stalls every popping up, hey?
Oh, look, let me look. Yeah. Look at that. You've got your chicken and rice for 50 baht. Your crispy chicken and rice for 50 baht. Good lord. Looks like crispy duck down there, also for 75 baht. Then you've got your sauces over here. These delectable little sauces. Sawadika. Some more? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah. And once it gets really going.
Well, when I came through during the day, they were here, but nothing was open. All these other ones. You see how everything's been numbered now. They've all
Yeah.
this was gravel.
You're all, that's a really good idea.
There you go, Jim.
What's that?
Vegetables.
Oh, healthy food. Oh, I like that.
They look alright.
They do look alright. Interesting. I'm just going to see what's in these. Sawadika.
That one's got eggs in it. Oh, that. Salad.
It's got eggs
Box
in
is
it.
gonna.
Oh, let me have a look. Oh, looks
got
very
everything.
nice. Looks very nice. It's got seafood in it as well, Dave.
Yeah.
I'll be just a little bit concerned because that's sitting out of refrigeration
We've got a long way to
right now.
ride back still.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
there's
very
chicken.
nice. A chicken and some popping stuff on top. That looks really nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. And she is called Healthy Food by A. So,
They're nice, mate. We'll have to come when we're not in a hurry.
yeah, see, there's seafood in these, so I'll be a little bit
I-
concerned about. And they're sitting out here. Definitely.
Nice, though.
They do look very nice, but they're sitting out of refrigeration, darling.
And our stomach, or my stomach, is not very good.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to. I would be spending tomorrow on the toilet, and I don't want to be doing that. Oh, they smell delicious. That's your that's your paw on the stick, your sticky paw. Hello, sawadee ka. More?
Moon?
Oh.
12 บาท นี่ 6 บาท อันนี้
Six. How many? 6 of them. 6. Yeah.
อันนี้ 12
Song.
Do you want to get some? How long will it take to get us home?
แล้วมี
Probably 20 minutes, not that. Oh, if we go straight back, we can, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
And
Yes,
yeah.
yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Jay. Awesome. So we almost made it to show this guy's stuff. That smells delicious. And then we have all this stuff over here, which also smells really nice.
Hong Kong Sansi Hop.
Hop?
Yeah, hop. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, please, Jay.
One enough? Yeah.
พอไหม
No, two.
2. Yeah, we get 2.
2
Dong.
Special
Oh,
juice.
yum. Special juice. I love the juice. See that green stuff in that little bag? Oh my God, dudes, this is absolutely
We've just found our dinner.
delightful. We have. We didn't have to look far, did we?
Stick and some pork on the stick and sticky rice. Which is
Yeah, beautiful sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
And we've got the absolutely beautiful, look at that.
oh,
Got the absolutely
you're not mine.
beautiful green sauce.
Oh, yeah, forgot
Show
about
the
that.
green sauce. Oh, that looks
It
like the
is-
stuff that I've got in that bottle.
it is, I'd say it is. It's
The
so
seafood
beautiful
sauce.
to dip into the way.
Yeah. All right. So
Now
we're off. We're going to find our beautiful little red beast, and we're off.
Into the sunset.
And the sun is absolutely kiling my eyes. See you soon. Crazy, I know. But I'm loving this. Hey guys.
It is so easy to get around.